Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another brown sugar box unboxing. Yes, I know it's in studio, it's in my little space, but every time I try to get to a location, but we'll be back on that. I have a little schedule for that, but there's always something that happens. Now this look, before I even go any further, will be on my channel either before or after, but it will be, I think it will be before this, but you will see it. Tried some new stuff, but I do hope you like it, and yeah, keep on watching if it is that you're interested in, you know, knowing what's in the October box of my brown sugar box. But first, if it is you have not yet subscribed, please do. Thumbs up already if it is that just because you just like to see me and you just think me look pretty and, you know, makeup or going with a bag of things, so thumbs up. But yeah, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get excited about what's in the October box. It's kind of cool. Alright, so the brown sugar box. Now I've been doing this for a little bit now. I've been doing the postings and such. Well, you know what, I chose to do it in studio today because my face was beat. Actually just finished filming this look, and I thought, hey, why not do the box now instead of trying to find a location? So we're here today. Now the box today has a girl, brown sugar darling, having her bubblegum and such, long hair and her glasses, very, very cool, reminiscent of me. Because if you don't know, for my new followers and for persons who maybe are following me and really didn't know, I actually wear glasses, but these are contacts. Yes, tested contacts, I need them. So this is the box for this month, for the month of October. It usually has some little writing here. It says, hey girl, hey, here's the tea. I ain't want to gossip, but did you know you could win one box free? It gives you this little information all the time that you can actually win a box and such, which is kind of cool. So let's get inside of it. Now, this box comes with the magazine again. I am always so excited to see these because it's really cool. It tells you the information about what is already in the box, as well as it gives you information. Now, one of the topics in here is a heroic acts in Black history. This is for women. Now it tells you about the Black women in history that has done something super significant in today's society or over the time frame. So it has heroic. Let me show you this. Hero. So all of this information is actually inside of the book itself. It tells you about the box. It tells you what's inside the box. These are the great Black female heroes. It's really, 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 I love that about it. It's real home. It resonates with you as a Black woman. It lets you know and helps you to realize how important you are. You're not just because you're Black and your skin dark and so, you know, people can just disrespect you in any old way. No, it tells you point blank, hey, not because of your skin color, you deserve the best. You deserve any and everything that is awesome and good in this world. You deserve every last bit of it, and that is why I really do like this box. It's really, really bomb. Love it. Alright, so the first item I got in this box was a book, a little journaling book, kind of, yeah, blossoming ideas. It kind of is like, if it is that you want, if you have ideas, like for example, I do YouTube, so if it is that I have an idea for a video, I can jot it down in this little book. It's not that big, but it's definitely an idea book. See, just lines and such, blossoming ideas, and the back says, you become what you believe. Very cool. I like this. I love writing, so it will work for me. The other item is a bracelet, a little rubber. I don't think this will glow in the dark. I used to have some of these. I remember back in the day, I think it was in the early 2000s. Yeah, they had these little bracelets. I think it was, what's his name, who came up with it? The guy who rides, Armstrong, his bracelets glow in the dark. So once you put it in the light, and you know, yeah, it was really, really cool. And then everybody kind of starts to make them and such. So this is one of them that came in this box. One of those little bracelets. It says, you got this. And my hand looks dry, guys, bear with me, I'm sorry. So it says, you got this. I like this. This is really nice, and it's motivating as well. Sometimes you really and truly, this is all you need to hear to kind of get past or get through the day once it is that, you know, there's something that's really riding you. You got this. Don't worry about it. So the next item I got was a bracelet. Here is the bracelet. This is so, I've always wanted to wear these bracelets, but guys, look at my wrist. I'm pretty sure, well, you know, I was told it actually is worn up here. I have on a long sleeve, so maybe it wouldn't look so cool. But look at the gold against the burgundy. Isn't this gorgeous though? I love it. But yeah, this is the bracelet. It's gold. I'm repeating myself, but I like this. The little tag on it is Izzy and Liv. Everything that actually comes in the box is tagged Izzy and Liv. They're the ones who, I guess, manufacture it or make most of these things. So yeah, it works. It really does work. I like this. I like this a lot. So this is cool. I do have an idea as to what I want to wear this with. Y'all will see pictures. If you're not following my Instagram page, you will see. So let's get to following, shall we? So the next item in the box is actually a what is it again? So the next item in the box is a poncho. Who have you ever gotten a box? Have you ever done a subscription box with a poncho? This is pretty awesome. I like this. Where is the... This is so cool. Here it is. And the color is nice. I actually like the color of it. Yeah, sorry. Here we go. So this is how it looks. Now I live in Jamaica, so it may not necessarily get really cold, but it will get, you know, a little bit chilly, and this will actually come in handy. And the color of it, this is greenish brown. It looks army green on camera, but the color of it, it works. It's universal. It can work for anything. Can wear with anything. So this is very good. I love this, and it feels so warm and it's soft. I'm excited about this. This is the first time I'm opening all the items in the box, guys. I did open it before. When I just got it, I opened it and I saw what was inside, but I never took the items out of the plastic or anything. So this is bomb. I love this. I actually really do love this. This is definitely something that I can use or wear and whatnot. So the next item in the box is the usual. Every box comes with a t-shirt. And I don't mind because I wear them. I love them. I wear them on jobs sometimes when I'm going to clients, and this one is pretty awesome. It's on my chest. Yes, this is so nice. It says Shiro. Love it. It's, I don't know about you guys, but these things really, it makes me feel good. You know what I mean? Woman power, you know, woman time. It's always been woman time, but we're the ones who always allow persons to step in our necks. And what I hate is the fact that we are women. We should be supporting each other. You know what I mean? The men don't hesitate to support each other, you know, but we're always fighting each other. We're always fighting, like trying to see who's best and who's better, and you know, yeah, and you know. These shirts, by the way, once you're subscribing to them, they ask you for your shirt size. This is in medium. So every month you get a shirt, the shirt is in your size. Really? It's just for me. As I've always said. But this is just really cool. And red, I love red. I really do. It's not my favorite color, but I love wearing it. It looks really good on a black woman. I tell you. You see all yellow? Orange, the right kind of orange. Win. Anytime, every time. But y'all will be seeing me wear this very soon. Just look out for that. Alright, so the next item in the box is something that I've never worn before. I've seen other women wear it, and I thought it always looks so nice on them, and they make it work and they make it fashionable and it's cute. Now, let me look in the book to see what it's actually called so I don't mess with the name. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought, but I wanted to be sure. It's a floppy hat. Isn't this cute? Oh my god, I'm excited about it. I'm sorry guys. Yes, I'm really excited about it. I've never worn anything like this before. Like I said, I see it, it's really nice on others, but I've never tried it for myself, and I've never actually gone anywhere where I've actually had to wear one. Yeah, been to the beach, but it's hot. This is so cute though. Now I've had this wrapped up in the little plastic packaging in the box, so it's gonna be a little crinkly, so it's not, that's not how it is. But guys, this is some kind of cute though. You know, once I can get it fixed and such, it's cute. I like it. I do like this. It comes with a little bow, so I guess you can wear it on the side or at the back, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's not like I wear these things, but this is nice. This is hold on, I'm gonna find a little accessory to wear it with. Joffrey, get the other bags, darling. Yes. I like this. Oh my gosh, it's just okay. These glasses, guys, they came in the August box that I was not able to record and show you know the stuff that came inside. This is cute. Yes, yes. Joffrey, get me some tea. I'm sitting down, you know, I'll be out on the patio until you've come with it, darling. This is cute. I'm an idiot, I know, but this is, I'm enjoying this. I really enjoyed it. These shades are actually not bad, not half bad at all. The red is gorgeous. Yes, this is so pretty. This is very pretty. Yes. And that was the box, guys. I do hope you all enjoyed this video. I had fun with it and I love my boxes. I love them. I will definitely leave information down below about the box. Yeah, that's basically it. And this has been fun. I really enjoy each box. By the way, guys, each month when they send the boxes, you actually, well, for me, I don't know if it is that I just don't know where to find it on the site, but I don't know what comes in the box until it gets to me. I really don't. So it's really fun to see what comes inside of the box and such. And that hat was a surprise, and that hat is gonna be worn. Yes, along with these shades. It's the first time I'm actually taking it out to wear it, and it's gonna be worn again. You're gonna see it again. This is so cool. I am enjoying it. I'm enjoying it a lot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, thank you for subscribing. Hey new subbies, welcome to my channel. To my OGs, hey, what's poppin'? Thank you for sticking around. And guys, this is the video. I do hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Hey.